have these two Littlest Pet Shop sets. This Littlest Pet Shop Tuna Can and this vending machine. So I guess we're starting with this one. A little fox, and I'm going to get the little things. Okay, so I got her out. Oh, she's adorable. She has a little, that's soda. It's pouring out. The hats are removable if you want to take them off. You just have to slide them off. Oh, it's a little bit more difficult than I thought it was. Ah! So it is removable. It's a yellow hat with soda on top. It's pouring out. I think it's grape soda because it's purple. And then here's the fox itself. It has little purple in the ears. It's like orange. On the back, it has the Littlest Pet Shop symbol and little white on his tail. So there's the first one. And then if you pull this, they all come out. So I'm gonna do this one. This one has a blue raspberry hat. Has that little string again. There. This one comes out really.
Hold on.
That was easier than that one. This one has blue raspberries on it. And I don't know what this animal is. I don't think it says on the box. The hat is harder. My mommy helped me get it off, and it's blue. It has little green leaves and a straw. I think these are for smoothies because they all have straws. I'm not sure what this is, but it's really cute, and it's pink. Leave a comment down below if you know what animal this is, because it kind of looks like a guinea pig to me, just because of how it's a short tail and the ears are really small. So that's him. Then we're going to do this banana one. It's a doggy. So, I'm not sure what kind of doggy it is. It is really cute though. It has it has a banana on it. It's really cute, and it's purple and peach orange kind of. I almost got this one off. Come on. There. So that's the banana hat. Then this is the actual dog itself.
Aww.
So cute. It looks like it's begging just because of how these look. So that's him in his hat. Now the owl. So this one has a cherry hat. This kind of looks like the stem, but it's actually just the straw. Then let's take the little hat off. That was way easier. And then we have the little owl, and it's so cute. Yellow. It has white right here. The body is like a light, her actual head that's not painted, like this part, is a different color than the body, right, like this part that's not painted. So that's kind of weird. Maybe it's just the color of the fur. But yeah, we'll put that with her hat. teeth. Okay. So this one's a crab with a watermelon hat. This one's probably going to be the easiest to take off. Okay, I was wrong. Yeah, there we go. Oh my! So this one is all red with watermelons and a yellow straw. A lot of them have pink of straws. Two of them. This is the only one with the yellow straw. That's really cool. And then this one is so cute. It is adorable. I love it. Yellow. So we'll put her with her hat. Oops. All the pieces from the vending machine set. Now we are going to go to the mystery. So it has tape on it, which I'm gonna have to cut. Okay, so you pull this, take the tape off, and then you just pull this like this. And then this is the collector's thing, I'm guessing. The one I want is this one. And yeah, this is the one I got. That's what it says it is, so, and it feels like it. So you do have to cut these open. So it's a little elephant. You can take the peanut butter off. And then there he is. And then in here, he has a little accessory for his head. It's a little headband. Instead of it being a bow, it's a peanut. Oh, that's cute. So this could be a boy or a girl, but I'm gonna use it as a girl probably, because it has a headband. So yeah, I'm gonna put them together. To take it off, really all you have to do is just take them off like that. All you have to do is slide it on if you want to put it back on or anything. So yeah, he's so cute. Yeah. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Bye.